July 12th, 2015. Chicken's first free-ranging day. I think they're kind of lost about what to do. They're not used to being just cut loose. So they're kind of hanging out and munching on the grass that's close by and picking and scratching. And I think they're really enjoying being out, taking a dust bath in the shade. They're really vigorous, happy wild birds. I'm so glad I got these guys. They're fantastic. I don't think I could have got a better strain of bird. And Cloner, my celebrity cat, is over here hanging out, healing up, chilling in the shade. Yeah. Right, buddy? Healing up? Feeling better? Slowly but surely. You're a good kitty cat, Mr. Cloney. I love you very much, Mr. Bear. That sun is hot. If I were you, I'd crawl back in your deep shade spot. That's where I'd go. But maybe you need some sun. Might be good for you. I love you, Clone Bones.